Sugar naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Badipet Yakatanat Arts and Culture ke Jela uba Lyngdoh hani kesngi ke handru tarik leber araja alpausau habe akaran bat kinong thok khobor ulaong baka Sorkar Meghalaya hakini ki shipau Snem banwan kan salong ke shipau $1 billion hakayok kakot bat ke jingru spa haka culture jong khasi kalapoi wat shabari kum kanong ba Dhaka jong kari Bangladesh haka baka Sorkar kalabu yo umot sa jingkan mau jong usim Tirat Singh baru ke library. Ula banrap syuk-syuk bahagi ni Snem hapo ke jingalam jong ke Sorkar MDA2 shibun ki kam penroi kilawan hak jala haki babun ki benta. Ula ong baka tanat tourism ke jala kala tre shitom ban penroi ka kam jong kai hak jala lingba ke MGMP. Hak baka la kring ya kumba lai hajar ngut ki samla banwan ban ya shibenta bat kumba sanpho hajar ngut ki brio ki bala syak kring hak tanat tourism. Haba kali ba kumno ke Sorkar kan le da ka ba penyat ki kam jong kai lingba ke jing shim lon. Menteri Ulaong balingba ke jing shim lon kanwan rapat ya ke jing yo nong ya ke jala.
Two has been phenomenal. As you can see from the budget presented by the Chief Minister, we have a very ambitious program of action, and we intend that by the end of the tenure of this government, Meghalaya would be a $10 billion economy. The CM Elevate program has taken off in a huge manner. Arts and culture, which was always considered a minor department, today has been able to establish the Tirat Singh Library at Dhaka, the Tagore Cultural Complex here at Shillong, and several other activities. Tourism department is busy on a daily basis. You have the MGMP, which organizes shows and engages roughly around 3,000 youngsters. We have about 50,000 people directly and indirectly engaged by the tourism sector. So these are major milestones, and in a single year, for this to happen is certainly worth acknowledging.
Well, Meghalaya US dollar economy is rich when so many loans are there.
Well, we will certainly nullify those loans by ensuring that there is also revenue generation from the loans. And in fact, if you look at a project like this current, the audition of which we have just laid, it is only today through MDA2 that we have met the state's share, which has made it possible for this complex to take off.